Hey guys, this is your host Kobaikar Anand and he's my buddy Navneet Raj. So we have shooted a video about Positivity app walk around video. So check it out, and if you have not subscribed the channel then subscribe it, and if you like the video then give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like the video then give it a dislike button and subscribe. Stay tuned to our channel and watch the video.